this episode of Gav Details, we are going to be washing, decontaminating, polishing, and then ceramic coating this 2018 BMW M2. But for this particular video, we'll be focusing on the exhaust tips. So I'm going to use just regular soap and water and a microfiber towel to clean them. In order to kind of bring them back to a brilliant shine, we're going to be using the P21S polishing soap. It says use anywhere you would use a metal polish: exhaust, bumpers, gas tanks, wheels, running boards, diamond plate, etc. So there, as you can see, there's a sponge in there. So you lightly, you get the sponge wet, you squeeze it out to where it's just barely dripping, and then on the inside of the tub there is a hard soap. So once I wash the car and get the tips washed, we'll come back and use the polishing soap. Okay, so the car is washed. The wheels definitely took a little bit longer. Here's our bucket of regular water. That's what the polishing soap looks like. Just a hard, you know, kind of like a paste. And we have our polishing sponge. Nice little recessed area here so that you can hold on, and it's pliable so you can move it around. So we're going to get the sponge damp here, and I'm going to try and polish around the camera. So just kind of like this. You can see we have soap on the sponge. You can see a fair amount of dirt and soot on the sponge, so I'm going to kind of just bring it out here and then back to the clean water. Okay, so we went ahead and rinsed this tip. You can see that the P21S does leave a bit of protection because the water is beading, and you can see the difference between this tip here, clean but kind of dingy, and this one, which is, you know, almost to a mirror finish. So we're going to go ahead and finish all four. Look for a full walk around video once the vehicle is completely done. So for a quick exhaust tip polishing video, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the results of the P21S polishing soap, give the video a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.